Good morning, school. I hope this finds you all safe and well. Well, here we are in the middle of June. It seems a very, very long time ago since lockdown started. So I thought it might be a good opportunity for us as we approach the end of term to see what your teachers have been up to. So I sent an email to some of my colleagues asking them to record you a short video clip just to say what they've been missing, what they were looking forward to pass on any messages that they wanted to pass on. So without further ado, let's see what my colleagues have got to say.
Okay, hello to you all. I'm missing school loads. You can see I'm sporting a more aerodynamic look for lockdown. I have to say, the thing I miss most is just being in the classroom with all you lot. I have to say, I still get really excited about my chemistry, but when I'm pacing around my dining room, it doesn't quite have the same effect as pacing around a classroom being excited about my chemistry. So I'm really looking forward to getting back to school to see you and teach you. Last thing, I'll say a massive, massive well done to the Year 12 chemists. You lot have been brilliant.
Good morning, school. Welcome to a wet Kirby Lonsdale. The view behind me is referred to as Ruskin's View, which he described as one of the loveliest in England and therefore the world. What I'd like to say is over the summer holidays, I really hope that you all manage to get out and about and enjoy some of our wonderful countryside over the summer months and come back in September suitably refreshed and invigorated to work. I'd also like to say a really big good luck to Year 7, who this week are undertaking their lockdown residential, as unfortunately we're not able to go to Ingleton this year. Well, good luck and stay safe.
Hi guys, really missing you all actually. Lockdown's been interesting with these two little munchkins, but the thing I'm missing most about being at school is seeing you lot and seeing how you all overcome everything. And I miss you telling me about your days and all the silly things that you've got up to. Life is very different, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all soon.
G'day AKS, hope you're keeping safe and well during this difficult time. We're looking forward to getting back to some sort of normality as quickly as we can at school, and we look forward to that time. To all the leavers, congratulations, and we look forward to those celebrations that you richly deserve as soon as possible. One thing I've noticed over the course of this lockdown is how I miss sport. I miss the competition, I miss the camaraderie, I miss the sportsmanship, shaking someone's hand after a game, after a good, well-played game. I'll never take that for granted again. It turns out that sport is in fact a privilege and not a right. Over the summer, have a fantastic break. Get out there, get active, get the fresh air into you and enjoy yourselves. Have some fun and hopefully we'll see you in September. All the very best. See you later.
So just a very, very quick message from Mr. Hayden's assembly this week. He's asked everyone what they miss most about school and what they're most looking forward to. And in fact, both of those points are really intertwined for me. The thing I miss the most about school are the people. Those interactions, the buzz, the chat, everything that goes on is what I miss the most. And that is definitely what I'm looking forward to the most as well when everybody returns to school. It's all about the people. It always has been about the people and the community that this school is made up of. The other thing, of course, I am looking forward to is the chicken goujons. And I'd just like to say well done to my Year 7, which is the whole of Year 7. Your engagement with the Learning to Learn programme has been tremendous, and it's been great to see the way in which we've interacted over the Skype lessons. So hopefully we'll see everyone in September. Thank you.
Good morning AKS. The one thing that I have really missed since we've been on lockdown is the chance to take my form to assembly. I think it's wonderful when we're all able to get together in the senior hall and come together as a school. There's such a great sense of community and that's the thing that I've really missed.
This is a message to Year 7. Thank you, Year 7, for engaging so well with the Round Square Discovery Framework and all the evidence that you've put in place when working towards the Round Square Discovery Challenge. I hope you found it invaluable reflecting on the past year and you've seen improvements in your character education. I hope you have a wonderful summer, Year 7, and can't wait to see you in Year 8.
Hello everybody, it's Matron from a very empty office. Really missing you all. School's so quiet without you. All the best to the year 13s that have moved on. Anybody that's gone into medicine, be nice to the nurses. And anybody from year 11, whatever you're doing, I'm sure you'll do amazing. So all the best, and I hope to see you all again in September.
Good morning, school. I hope you and your families are all keeping well. Firstly, I'd like to say how proud I am of all of you and how you've coped with remote learning since we've been in lockdown. It's been lovely to interact with all of my classes and also all of you pupils in middle school. I can't wait to get back in September and see you all in person and all my lovely friends. But in the meantime, don't worry, we are here for you. If you need any help, support or advice, don't hesitate to get in touch. Enjoy the summer. See you in September.
Morning, just a short message to all my cadets. For those senior cadets who aren't coming back in year 12 and 13, just want to wish you all the best for future endeavours. For those cadets that are coming back in all the years, I'm looking forward to seeing everyone and hopefully getting back to a full training programme and activities for all the cadets. In the meantime, have a good summer break and we'll see you all in September. Thank you.
Hi school, good morning. Really nice to be able to say hello to you. I discovered very quickly during lockdown that my household just could not cope with 4 of us on computers and on Skype at the same time. So I've been in school, in my office all of this time. And one of the nice things about that is that those of you who have been in, I've been able to wave at you and say hi to. And I've been watching the year 10s coming back, and actually I felt a little bit emotional seeing some kids back in uniform in the corridors, and I realised that, yeah, you know, we are all missing you and we are missing school, strange as that might have sounded a few months ago. Lockdown, what's been hardest for me is my dad's in Scotland and I haven't been able to see him for nearly 4 months now. So that's a long time for me not to see my dad and for my kids not to be able to see their papa. What's been good about lockdown? Well, we're watching a lot more television and we've discovered some old series, Brooklyn Nine-Nine and Castle on television, and we are loving them. So summer 9 days away, holidays 9 days away. And I suppose as a PSHE teacher, I should be saying to you guys, get outside, get off your screens, enjoy the fresh air. And I hope you managed to do that. I hope we all managed to get somewhere a bit different than just our gardens and a little walk along the front. So take care. Here's to September. Here's hoping for September. And it will be lovely to have you all back in the classroom and to be there with you. So take care. Bye.
Hi everyone. Yes, this is really my lockdown hairstyle. I just want to say a huge thanks to all students for engaging with the remote learning. I know it hasn't been easy for you all. A big shout out to all of my colleagues who've supported me and our students throughout this very difficult situation we've all been in. And I'd like to wish you all a wonderful, happy, healthy summer. I'm looking forward to seeing you all when we open again. Bye.
So there we go, an insight into some truly terrible quarantine haircuts, but clearly there's an awful lot of goodwill towards you all. So I hope you're all okay, and we'll see you soon, and keep on working hard. It's nearly the holidays. All right gang, see you later.